Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BK Sports with Bonginkosi. Thembe ukuthi kahle, niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel if you haven't subscribed. Danko. Kaizer Chiefs, they mean business because I think now they understand that it is better to nurture their own players than to go out there fighting to sign players which they end up going to other teams. Not because of it's a matter of money, but believing in youngsters. I think it will be a project for the future for Kaizer Chiefs. As we see with the senior team have many players that are youngsters, let alone the game that you played versus Marumo Gallants. There were 8 players that come from the junior ranks of Kaizer Chiefs. Now Kaizer Chiefs also, they've loaned out 7 players that come from the reserve team. 7 of these players were very instrumental in Kaizer Chiefs reserve team winning the DDC. So that tells you Uguti, Kaizer Chiefs now, they want to invest in the future of these youngsters. Because if you can count these players, I think it's from defense to the middle field. Because if I may count Sfiso Timba to Komoro United is a right back. Offense Nkosana Naye is a defender. I'm not sure what he's playing as a center back or playing as a left back. Ulani Khosa is a center back. Bobo Sima is a center back. Uhambile na wale eBotswana boyithu Khosa no Sima. Omunye yokuMuchuri Chiefs, omunye waya ku Black Lions. Nkosana Mbutho, Leicester Fort City. Buntle Mulife, Leicester Fort City. Sfiso Timba to Kruger United. Manqobo Ozomena, Casrick Stars. Offense Nkosana, Casrick Stars. So that tells you good. They want these players to gain experience to play in the top flight football because they believe good. At the moment, they don't have what it takes to play professional, but they believe good. Them loaning them out to clubs that are playing in leagues that there's a lot of competition because everyone wants to see themselves in the top flight. So they'll learn about learn about how to survive, learn about how to grind for results in order to find yourself playing in a top flight level. That's why we saw these players being loaned out. So for Kaizer Chiefs, it's a project for the future. They are the investment of the future. But for now, the senior players that are playing for the Chiefs, it simply means good. They are the ones that made them realize good. If we could produce players like Mfundo Vilakazi, Samgelo Zwane, Mashiane, Mduduzi Shabalala, Aiden McCarthy, Zita Kunika, Bruce Vuma, Naledi Hlongwane, Kusingiphile Ngcobo. It simply means good. Our youth structures are productive. So the best way is to make sure good we pave a way for them. We find other channels that they can use so that if they come back strong. These players, all of them, they are good in their respective positions. Hopefully they want to have successful stints where they are going. So I don't know Guti, what will happen when the season ends. Will they come back badlalele a senior team or they're gonna go back to the reserve team? Because if I'm not mistaken, I think Mao so figure go age 24. I don't think we uyaqhubeka ube sodlala laphana kwi DDC because I think iphelela lapho. I think baba kala ezif ama under 23, but lapho I'm not sure. I stand to be corrected. So it is a good initiative by Kaizer Chiefs because people were complaining with the Kaizer Chiefs. They produce these players, they perform. Last season they won the league, but they were not rewarded with anything, promoting a player maybe. But here's Touch Mabaso was promoted. He's playing now. Naledi Hlongwane uye ke ongakaboni kahle ukuthi his future ime because uye manje sekubhekwe yena ukuthi will he be given a chance ku senior team. But the good thing is that now they are giving them an opportunity to go and find themselves elsewhere. This is a good thing by Kaizer Chiefs. Now let's talk about Roshin Dudley. As it was announced ukuthi he's expected to come back to full training mid-February. We all know what does that mean. Aiden McCarthy usenkingeni with that left center back position. But that's a good thing because it's going to be a healthy competition. It will be a battle of who has superiority over the other, who has a better skill set over the other, because both of them, they are ball players, ball playing center backs. Good when it comes to playing the ball and they can read the game, but it will depend on the coaches to who do they prefer over the other, because zazokhala. But the good thing is that umuntu obuya ku-injury angeke athi makabuya and then hit the ground running, kusamele athole iform. So that's an advantage for a player like Aiden McCarthy because already he has played many games. Wona uke waba injured nyana wabuya, but for him can also be played as a left back. So what does that mean ukuthi let's say Roshin Dudley comes back and he fights for the position, returns to the starting lineup. Simply means ukuthi McCarthy will go and compete with Marco and Cross go left back. You see now ukuthi kuzoba ne clash, but it will depend on how the co-coaches want to use these players. Because we saw McCarthy go left back, he struggles, especially when it comes to him being able to deal with pacey players. But because of his timing and reading of the game, he's able to find a way. So left center back, it is best suitable for him. But now your figure is Rolls Royce. But favoritism doesn't work. You have to work your way to the starting level, as he did with Aiden McCarthy. Competition this season, it is very tough, and that's what is good about having depth, because if the other gets injured, there's a replacement. But in the previous seasons, you could rely on players whereby which we knew very well which if he gets injured or suspended, we are doomed. But this season, we have cover in every position that we have. So that simply means kuti now there's a clear plan that they have. So the only thing that needs to be done is for us fans to be convinced and believe in whatever that they are trying to do and whatever they are trying to achieve as a team. Let's talk about Elias Mzoki. People are saying kuti Brendan Peterson should be thankful to Usiso because he made sure kuti he rescues his career. But one thing I know for a fact is that if you see a person does something or do something, that doesn't come as a surprise. It doesn't mean kuti that player needed ukuthi bamenze something in order good. No. Everything you see from a person, whether good or bad, that you didn't know about them, it was always there. It just needed a little push, or the person himself needed to realize that no, I have this and I should be able to make the best out of this thing that I have that can put me to be ahead of other people. I'm talking about the goalkeeping department, because we all know Utunjebe is a good shortstop. One thing that was messing him up is the fact that he was making mistakes and over excitement, because that happens with ikumoshele nje intent lo achieve. Right now uzithole nje enza umlando because he's the second goalkeeper, but now he's tied laphayana with Ronan Williams in terms of keeping 11 clean sheets halfway through the season. So that simply means Kuti, he had a good first half of the season. Even though alapha ku number 2, but in terms of clean sheet, he equals Brendan Peterson. Not to Brendan Peterson, but to Ronan Williams. Logo kukodwa, it tells you Kuti, if you do your job, don't expect to be praised or seek validation. Do that because you know it is right for you, because now he is building a profile for himself. But even if it happens, I depart, I leave Kaizer Chiefs, the club that I'm going to, already they know my capabilities. Because Kaizer Chiefs is well known of producing good goalkeepers, but Peterson wasn't produced, he was bought. But the years that he stayed in Turin allowed him to grow under pressure, to understand the demands of the game. So whatever that is happening is not fluke. He just needed to see Guti, he has it in him. Because if it happens, it doesn't get injured or suspended, Bruce Vuma, Fiacre Ntwari, they are going to find it difficult to get game time. So this is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ikus Alpelumo. Dango.